Let's analyze whether the sequence a sub n equals cosine of n over 2 converges or diverges. We'll break this down step by step and use visualization to understand what's happening with the sequence. First, let's recall some key properties of the cosine function. The cosine function is bounded between -1 and +1, and it's periodic with period 2 pi. Now, let's look at what happens when we input n over 2 into cosine, where n is a natural number. As n increases through the natural numbers, n over 2 gives us the sequence of inputs: 1/2, 1, 3/2, 2, 5/2, and so on. Let's create a sequence plot to better visualize what's happening. We'll plot the terms of our sequence against the natural numbers. Notice how the outputs of cosine of n over 2 jump between different values, never settling into a pattern. Let's analyze why this sequence diverges. First, notice that when n is even, n over 2 is a whole number, so we're taking the cosine of multiples of pi. When n is odd, n over 2 gives us half-integer multiples of pi, resulting in different values. This means our sequence alternates between different values and never settles down to a single limit. Therefore, we can conclude that the sequence a sub n equals cosine of n over 2 diverges. This is because it oscillates between different values and does not approach any single limit as n approaches infinity. Remember, for a sequence to converge, it must approach a single limit value. Any sequence that continues to oscillate between different values, like this one, will diverge.